Luhan. Gudapon na ko karon. Tinood na. Atay. Tinood.
Muna siyang first step for defense. First step. Two arms power up.
Ang face is arty-arty.
Second step. The arm.
They're pushing your penis.
The head spin. Third step. The second step, the headbutt attack. First step. The third step, the Manny Pacquiao punch.
Last friendship.
The combination of that second and third. Watong ano din no tong pack. Second and third ba? Sige.
Now, now let's combine the let's combine the all step, the second and third, the head spin attack and the Manny Pacquiao punch.
Hey man, look at me. That's what we're going to technique.
Repeat.